Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to react to a text message in a group conversation on the Pinterest app for PC using the latest update. It's a quick and fun way to engage with your friends or collaborators without typing out a whole reply. Let's dive right in. First, open the Pinterest app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look over to the left side menu. You'll see several options, but go ahead and click on Messages. This will take you to your inbox, where all your conversations are listed. Next, find the group chat where you want to react to a message. Click on the group to open the conversation thread. Inside the group chat, you'll see all the messages exchanged between you and the other members. Now comes the exciting part. Hover your mouse over the message you want to react to. When you do this, a small react icon will appear, usually a smiley face or some other emoji symbol. Click on that icon, and a set of reaction options will pop up for you to choose from. These reactions are designed to express your feelings quickly, whether it's a thumbs up to show approval, a heart for love, laughter for something funny, or any other emoji that fits your vibe. Simply click on the emoji that best matches your reaction, and it will instantly appear attached to that text message. This way, everyone in the group will see your reaction without you needing to type a single word. It's a small but powerful feature that makes group chats on Pinterest more interactive and fun, and that's it. You've just learned how to react on a text message within a group on the Pinterest app on PC with the newest update. It's straightforward, efficient, and perfect for keeping the conversation lively. Thanks for watching.